Earn a degree in computer science or a related field. Most software engineer positions require a bachelor's degree. 1. Majoring in computer science will provide the most useful background for designing and perfecting software. Most often, interviewers will ask questions focusing on data structures and algorithms, so the theoretical background provided by traditional computer science degrees best prepares you for this. However, you will likely need to spend considerable time outside of the classroom writing software to learn how the theoretical concepts you're taught can apply in the practice of writing real software. It is possible to get hired with an associate's degree or even with nothing but self-taught experience. Pursuing this route, you should have a strong collection of completed and functional projects demonstrating your skills on a website like GitHub. You can also pursue open source projects to contribute fixes and new features to in case you don't have a concept of your own. Open source means that the code source for a piece of software is publicly viewable open. Often, this allows anyone to submit code to a project, pending approval of the project maintainers. Finding an open source project with a welcoming community of developers can greatly accelerate your skills after you've established a baseline skill set. 2. Begin programming. Even if you're still in grade school, you can give yourself a huge head start by teaching yourself programming. Software engineering is not focused exclusively on coding, but you will need to know at least a couple languages, and a deeper understanding of how they function. There is no widespread agreement on which languages are most useful, but these are all popular choices: Python, Ruby, JavaScript, C#, Java, C++. Be aware that some languages are better at solving some problems than others. No one language is better than another. No one language is objectively easier than another. Most languages were written with certain types of problems in mind and are better at solving them while weaker at solving others. Experiment and get a feel for your style. At first, only focus on getting the most basic of programs running in one language. Once you've gotten comfortable with one, start experimenting with a second. There is no need to learn all languages. Find your niche and become awesome at it. For youth, MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, created the website and programming tool, Scratch. This tool teaches programming concepts using visual cues rather than intimidating text. It's also useful to adults who would feel more comfortable focusing on visual elements rather than abstract concepts and text. Study data structures and algorithms. Algorithm simply means a formula or process for solving a problem. 2 common examples are path finding for finding the shortest distance between 2 points, 3 searching for finding a specific item of data in a large set of data, and sorting for arranging data in some order. 5. A data structure is a certain way of organizing data to make it easier to solve certain problems. 6 common examples are arrays that simply contain items of data one after another in some order, and hash tables that store data by some key instead of a position in a list. 8 Focus on developing and maintaining your skills in order to do your best once you've obtained a position as a software engineer. 9 Optional, study math. Mathematics will be a part of any computer science major, and many algorithms and data structures knowledge stems from mathematics. While not absolutely necessary, having a strong background in math will give you stronger core skills for analyzing and designing new algorithms. If you're targeting companies that do cutting-edge research and development, math will be a must. If you want a cushy corporate job, you can likely skim through higher-level math. Discrete mathematics is a particularly useful area of study, as is any math course that involves software.